What? Good morning to you, wherever you're watching me from. Good morning to all my viewers, and good morning to all my subscribers, and good morning to my religious and addicted viewers on this channel. Yes, it's a beautiful day out here, and today is Friday, and you're watching me live from the Volta region. That's the capital of the Volta region in Ghana, in West Africa, in Africa, on Earth, in the universe, and the last one is what? I don't even know. After the universe, what else do we have? The galaxy. Ah, let's forget about that. So it's a beautiful morning here. We are in the rainy season, so it's been raining, and the weather has been very, very dull this couple of months now. And yes, it's been a long time, like seeing my face here, just like this, calls for a reason, right? Yes, I don't normally come live, and when I'm live, that means I'm showing you a video. I'm shooting a live section of a Bobobo section, probably, or some festival. Yeah, that's what I usually do on this channel. But today, I'm sure most of you have not seen this face before. You don't know that I'm the person behind all the beautiful Bobobo videos, the festival video, and all the events you'll be watching on this channel. Yes, I'm the one behind it. This is me. All right, so this morning, I'm here. I wanted to do uh, a video, an actual video, and post, but I feel like I'm not really getting time to do that. I'm not really getting time to do that. So I decided to come live and spread the information across. So yeah, I have two people joining the live right now. Yes, I have two people right here. So thank you for joining. I hope you enjoyed this section and take note of the information that I will be putting across. Um, yes, please comment. Let me know where you are watching from. Comment, okay, please. I wanna read your comment. I wanna read your comment. I wanna read. Hey, I can be a good musician. Oh. What do you think? I wanna read your comment. Hey, I wanna read your comment. I wanna. Oh, I have three people on my life. Okay, so quick one. I think I don't have to waste time here. So, what I have for you this morning is interesting. It's a good news. Yes. Nah, we've not won any award. I beg. Yeah. So you guys know that anytime is we are in the month of from July, August, September, October, November is mainly about festivals. This is the period that a lot of people or communities, basically or specifically in the Volta region, or let me say Ghana in general, start celebrating their festival. This is the festival season. So let me just say we are in a festival season or festive season where each and every community or town celebrate their uh, traditional festivals. Yes. And on this channel, if you have been an addict or a religious viewer on this channel, you will realize that each and every year when it's within this period of time, I show you or I showcase a lot of festivals on this channel. Last year, for instance, I went to Anglogan to show you the Hugbechocho Festival. I was there at the Grand Deba. Yes, and we saw what happened. It was a massive turnout. It was crazy, yes. And I also went to Chito Awodome for their festival. Chito Awodome actually have two festivals, which is they have the Easter festival that they celebrate in a crazy and amazing manner. That one is also beautiful. They have a traditional festival as well. I will be attending as well because it's not far from me. Then my hometown, that's Klepe, Achatime. Hey, I won't say Klepe, Achatime. Klepe community also have a young festival that we celebrate. It's also a massive and crazy experience. And this year, I'll be showing you guys this year's section or this year's edition right on this channel. And Ho as well, Ho also celebrate Yam Festival, and a lot of communities uh, around the capital here also celebrate Yam Festival. Last year I was at Taingbe Festival and I only showed you the Bobobo section, only one of the Bobobo section. And mind you, that video has been the most viewed video on my channel. It's crazy. It's crazy. Just one section of Bobobo. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That video was crazy. How many views do we have now? Think because of the white background, I can't really see. Okay, I have 4 people on the live. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. Let me read your comments where you're watching me from. Okay. Thanks for joining. Yeah, so Taingbe, I witnessed the Abobo section, and I regret not returning to that community to show you other activities, because after posting that video, I realized that no, that video had a very massive engagement. The most viewed video on my channel so far. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. Taingbe. So this year, I'm planning that I'm not going to miss out uh, in their festival. I'm going to show up all the Bobo section, because I think Taingbe people have 4 communities. So one community will go and play Bobo at all the 3 community and finalize it in their community. And then another day, the second community also go and play and finalize it at their community. And the third day, the third community also play the same simultaneously. So I was able to show up for only one, and I had a lot of engagement. So this year, no matter what, I'm going to show up for every Bobobo. I'm going to show up for every Bobobo section of time, because I've come to realize that. Okay, hey Barry, yeah Barry, thanks for joining. Thanks for your comment. Yes, I'm the Bobobo man. Guru Sida Pa. Guru, yeah, Guru. I'm from Ghana. Where are you from too? I'm from Ghana, Ghana in the western part of Africa. Yeah. So when you come to Ghana, there are 15 regions. 15 regions in Ghana, and I'm in the number 9 region. Yeah, so I'm in the Volta region of Ghana in the western part of Africa. That's where you are watching me from. All right, so where are you from, Guru? All right, so let's go back to my conversation. So this year, Taingbe Bobobo, I'm going to show up for all the Bobobo section. I wish I'll get a guest house there so I can. You are an army person. All right, from which country? From which country? I'm going to show up for all the Bobobo section from Taingbe. So watch out for that. It's going to happen live. Watch out for that. And I don't know whether this year I'll be going to Anglogam for the Hobechocho Festival. You are watching me from India. Yes. What's up to my Indian fans? No, I have a lot of people. When I check my studio, YouTube studio, where my geography, I have a lot of people watching me from India as well. I don't know what they like about Bobo, that I have I have a lot of people from India who watches my video, and on my second channel, which is This Is Africa channel too, a lot of people from India as well are on that channel. Yes, so thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. Yes, yes, yes. So you are an army person, right? So let me say an army officer, and I'm also a content creator. I'm a photographer. I'm a videographer. Yes, yeah. So right now I'm in the studio. I'm in the studio. All right. Okay, my brother. Okay, okay, okay. So I hope you've subscribed to the channel already. I hope you're a subscriber. Yeah, so I'll be trying to attend all the festivals in the Volta region here, and if I'm resourced enough, probably I can go outside the my region to showcase, to bring to you all the beautiful festivals that you will be seeing that you are going to miss out on. So, quick one, the most important part of this live session is I want to inform you guys that if you are from the Volta region, right here, and you feel like wherever you are, maybe you are in a different country or in a different region, or because of your work, you will not be able to come back home, come back to your hometown to enjoy, witness, and partake in your hometown festival. Yes, I have a good news for you. Send me a DM or comment in under this video. Comment under this video. Tell tell me where you are, which country you are, or where you are watching from. Why you are not able to, you will not be able to attend your festival, your hometown festival, and give me the name of your community, the name of your town, the name of your town, the festival you celebrate, and probably if you can get me the timetable, the program lineup for the festival, then I'll be able to show up for your community festival or your hometown festival. Then I'll bring you all the beautiful and interesting video from that side and put on this channel for you to witness so you don't miss out. But okay, your hometown is uh, Bengaluru. 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 Okay. All right. Bengaluru. Means to my hometown is Klepe. Let me see if I can respond to your comment. Um, um, okay, I think, okay, my hometown is Klepe. We are from India, yes. India. Means to my hometown is Klepe, and my country is Ghana. Yeah. You know where Ghana is? Yeah, where Ghana is? Yeah, my capital city is Ho. Ho. Yeah. So we speak a language called Ewe or Ewe. Yeah. We are my capital is close to the Togo border. So yeah, we have a lot of Togolese also in my country. Togo is also a different country close to Ghana. We just share the border. Oh, you don't understand English? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Don't worry. I'll learn Indian language and come and speak to you so we can interact. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let's keep it active. All right. So, like I was saying, whichever community you are watching me from, or if you're outside the country, I have a lot of people from US, a lot of Ghanaians in the US who watches my video, especially my Bobobo videos. So if you are going to miss out on your hometown festival, don't worry. Comment under this video which town you are coming from. Anybody or anybody in your town that I can link up with, so like communicate, so I can have a programs line up. Then I go through, I know which of the activities that will be interesting or will be interesting for the channel. Then I'll show up and give you all the beautiful video from that festival. And if you are from, or if you are in a community in the Volta region here, whether from Angloga, Petwe, Amfueta, Germany, Klefe, Kliko, Peve, Okwe, Pando, all those communities, or any village, even if it's a typical deep village that I have to get down from a car, walk for an hour before I get to your community. So far as you celebrate a festival, please don't hesitate. If you chance on this video, drop it in the comment section where you are watching from. Okay. Where you are watching this video from, the name of your community, the name of the festival you celebrate. You can also share your contact with me as well. Then we will link up. You can give me an invite to your community to witness your festival. And the interesting part of the festival, I'm going to make a video of that and post on this channel as well. So that the whole universe will get to see the beautiful festival you have in your hometown. Yes, yes. So I think my time is up. I've been here for approximately 15 minutes now. Yeah, so a summary of that is we are in the festival season. We are in the month of August, September, October, November. We're going to celebrate festival. Various different communities, towns, and villages in the Volta region here will be celebrating festival, different festivals. So if you are watching me from any community and want me to come and witness and showcase to the whole universe the beautiful festival you have in your community or your village, please kindly comment under this video. Let's get interactive there. Let me get all the details about your festival. Then I'll show you, then I'll let you know which of the festival I'll be attending, then make a video of that and post on this channel so people get to see your beautiful festivals. It won't be limited to just the people in your community, but on this channel the whole world get to see the beautiful festival you have. So don't forget, my name is Gi. Hey, Brownberry said I should carry her along when I'm going for this festival. Are you sure you can travel with me? Hmm? You can't travel with me. Oh, the circumstances involved in my travel. It's not juicy as it might look. Oh, it gets very difficult. So I beg, if you want to join the train, if you want to join the Zion train, then you got to prepare. You got to put on your seat belt because it's not easy as it might look. Yeah, sometimes you get to some places, you don't even get a place to sit. But me being a guy, I manage my way through. I manage my you as a lady, it will be a lot of things a lot of places I go will be inconvenient to you. So it's not, it won't be easy. It won't be easy. Yeah, so don't forget, life is beautiful. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for more video that I'll be uploading on this channel. I'll be uploading on this channel. So my name still remains Gi. Yes, I'm the man you've been seeing. I'm the man behind all the beautiful Bobo videos you'll be seeing on these channels. This is me. It's been a long time you saw my face. I'm already tired. I have a long way to go. It's a beautiful morning here. Thanks for joining. Thanks for commenting. Bye bye. Berry. Yes. Don't forget subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Please subscribe. Okay. When you subscribe to the channel, it doesn't take any amount of it doesn't take any peso or dollar from your bank account. Okay. Just subscribe and put on the notification, turn on the notification so that the moment I post a video, you get the notification and watch the video. Okay? 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 Be an obedient subscriber. Be an obedient viewer. Be an obedient religious follower of this channel. Yes. Let's go to the channel now. Anytime when I post the video, after watching, please share the video, okay? Share the video. Let's build up this community. And my name still remain Gi. Later in the afternoon, I'll be dropping another Bobo video for you guys to watch. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. No, now culture is diversifying, so you don't get to see the olden days type of Bobo. Now you got to move the body. The Bobo is to bend down, Bobo. Bend down and shake the bum bum. Yes. But sometimes when I post the video and the women are shaking their bum bum like that, then you get people commenting under the video, what kind of boy? This one is not boy, blah blah. No, I know, understand that we Ghanaians, we hardly adapt to change. We hardly adapt to change. The same way some years back when tablets, pastors were using tablets to preach in church, hey, a lot of people were against it. And this is is demonic. is 666 and blah 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 blah. A lot of things were people were saying, but all they're saying now they've all come to understand that we are diversifying. Things are changing. We don't go. We will not be doing the olden day things anymore. So that's it. So you get to see more of Bobobo on this channel, whereby the ladies will be shaking their bum 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 bum. Yes. So thanks for watching the live section. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you some other time, and have a beautiful day and have a beautiful weekend right here. This is GITV official. I'm signing out. Bye bye.